Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can trim video in YouTube editor. So first step you need to do is to open YouTube and click on YouTube here, and you need to log in into your channel first. So you need to wait for a few seconds here and click on your channel icon and go into the YouTube studio. So once you are in the YouTube studio, so now you have option of content, click on that. So once you are here, so let's suppose I want to edit this, click on analytics part. Okay, and here you need to click on editor. So once you are here you can see trim and cut, click on that. And from here, so I want to trim from this and this part as well. So this is the part that I need. So okay, and this is the thing. So this is the part I want to remove, the first one. Once you've done that, you simply need to click on save. So this is a process how you can trim video in YouTube editor. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.